Over the past few weeks, there have been calls on Ghanaians to patronize locally produced foods, hoping that will at least bring some ease, considering the rising cost of imported food items. This afternoon, we are here at the Techiman Central Market, which is the largest food crop market in the South region, to gauge the situation on how the prices of these locally produced food crops are. We're going to engage these traders to have their take on how their sales has been in recent times.
These days, the market is not going well because they have increased our things. The person will come here, he wants the things to buy, but the price, they have increased it. The person cannot buy. And so these days we are suffering from our customers. And today she will come, you will tell him that one bowl is 30 cedis. The next day he will come back, he will tell me the bowl is 35 cedis. He will stop buying it. So we are suffering here.
This is our Niama Meton, Yagana Niama Yao, Ghana Niama Kuana Meton, Makosam and Chine. And then Chine way bag 1.5. Bag no so nya say ekasi o ketu be 1.5. We are move na me koto bi bag 6 million 6.5. Mo Ghana ha ya o beans 15 million. Yentumi nto hwe mi table so. Hwe na so. Niam akwa bi sa wo koto wo de basi wa be boso me kura na ensan. Na hwe makọ bag 12 million. Bla e beto ne sai. System ni mu ayeden. System ni mu ayeden pa.
Na nchini we na ye fa bag sen 350. Na bag ye 1.7. Anse na me koto a me sum da be do lonka. Bi ba me nche sem di man 1.8. Na me say me ma koto 1.7. 10 sile me da to so no. Nipa ne bo se ne bo den ye nto. Nti we su ile vi aka na. Nti we be se na du me ehunu se. Man no was campede da. Wan kira de kure ye ya. Sika no ebeba ye be jade de ayeye.
These locally produced food items, rice, beans, soya, etc., are equally rising as we are seeing with imported food items. The reason, according to these traders, has to do with the rising prices of petroleum products at the pumps.
Because I did a no mutu. I did mutu fuel. So more for because of say fuel no cost running. A man prices and so air cost. Because one too much any year. Wahoo.
Tell me free ako kumasa kofa nema. And then all fair card is saying 40 cedis. Who buy 40 cedis? Who be do a power pa beso na nema no de begu ka mu na aye aba. Ya charging ni nyina aye den abo mu ba betie firi sa nema corona mu. Sa what ya say? Eti aye den ya nema bi be da to so lol fair no consider what boy patron no teso boa ye na ebe boa ye.
Collectively, they have one appeal. They are urging government to do something urgent about the rising prices of petroleum products at the pumps. Hopefully, should the prices reduce at the pumps, the price of these food items will also reduce drastically to bring some ease to consumers across the municipality and the country at large.
Right now we want the government to help us because of they increase the fuel. That's why our things have increased. And so we are begging him that he should reduce the price for us.
Onti fuel no so mayen, onti fuel no so. Yes, rene say onti fuel no so na enko from say be ya. Cars na ekoko fa ye nema ne ba ne say ekofa nema ne ba na say wan use fuel bebre me gidi se nema no. The prices na be ko from nti no. Yes, reno.
Yes, rene na say wonya bibi fa ho efa petrol no e maye. So nim say want me boy ya. Me come no kura pa say one sorry fira akonnwa so. No ndia akonnwa ni si wa no. Da ho kire ya pa.
Petrol ni liti dodo. Petrol kwasoro dodo. Na ye kwato petrol ade che o masara atum. Me sra na na se wonte so maye. Niema mu kwasoro dodo ama ahiafo ye ho kire ye.
So this has been the situation from the Techiman Central Market. The prices of these locally produced food items is equally rising as we are seeing with the imported food items. My name is Anna Sabet reporting for Joy News.